Hey guys, it's Destoe with teslabros, and we are at our delivery day for our Model Y Juniper Standard. When we look at these cars, we're like, well, how would I customize it? How am I going to protect it? And I used to own a Model Y, and so looking at this car, there's a lot of things that I would do. So I'm just going to kind of walk through what I would do to customize and protect this standard Model Y. So the first thing is, I'm not a huge fan of this white space right here between the headlights. So I would probably get like a blackout kit or something to black those out. Maybe even like customize it with my own text or something like that. But regardless, I would probably get like a blackout for that middle part. I would also smoke lights. I do that on every car though, so it's not really any different, but I would definitely get some tinted PPF for the headlights and taillights. I would definitely get a front PPF kit. Also, not out of the ordinary, I always protect the fronts. And then if we go onto the side, I definitely do a pillar delete. I'm not a huge fan of the white car to begin with. I typically go towards more like blues like that car or greens, and so white just really isn't my thing. So to kind of like, well, one, I'd probably get a new wrap for it, maybe like a color PPF or something, but if I was just gonna keep it white, I'd definitely get a pillar delete just to make it look a little bit different. And then I'd get a charge port wrap. The new standards are actually like the Legacy 3Ys, and so I'd probably get just some sort of like green or a Luda wrap or something like that, just to make it look a little bit different. The back, like I said, I would definitely get tinted PPF. I might even get a wrap for this area, almost like the rear pleats for the Model S and X, and just get some sort of like, I don't know, a fun color, maybe even like a topo print sort of thing to go around the Tesla, because I still want the Tesla letters to show. But just off the bat, I'd probably do something there. So for the interior, I'm not a huge fan of these seats. It's definitely giving Dodge Journey, which is one of my cars. So I would probably get some sort of seat covers, maybe just like a sterling gray or something like that to kind of cover these up. I have my dog with me too, so that's something that I always have anyways. I definitely get just a different sort of color for these seats that would be like a vegan leather or some sort of leather. I do love that look. And then back here, I would probably get a wrap for this like charge port area. And oh, obviously, most importantly, I would be getting door kickers and door entry PPF. Both of these, I always get PPF'd out. Let's head to the front. This isn't too bad, but I still probably try to get some sort of stackable armrest organizer in there. I do like how it has the charge port right there. I don't love this at all, so I mean there's not much you can do other than getting a wrap. I keep throwing around colors. I'm not sure what color I would customize this white one. Green's my favorite color, but I do love like a topo look, so maybe something like that. And then here, I have no idea what I would do here. Probably an organizer, just so I can like keep some stuff like compartmentalized, because for me this would 100% just become a junk drawer with how just open that is. I don't love that, so I definitely get one of those. I definitely get glove box PPF here. This dashboard looks the same, so I'd probably just do like a full interior wrap with the dashboard, center console, steering wheel, and then obviously like the door buttons, and then get some floor mats. Yeah, I think that's it. I mean, this is literally just off the dome. We found out we were getting delivery today. And so just from my first observation, obviously, if you see my videos, you know I'm a big fan of the screen protectors as well. So we definitely be getting one of those. I'd probably go for the matte, however, just because the glare on the HD clear sometimes gets me. But other than that, like if this was, I mean, this is our company car, so if I were going to customize this myself and protect it, like those would be like the first things that I would do. Obviously, as soon as we get this off the lot, we're just gonna look at the car for a few hours and figure out what we're gonna do with it, and then you'll see those products shortly. But yeah, this is how I would customize and protect this Model Y Standard. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a comment below, tell us how you would customize it, and we'll see you next time.